suffice to say that the area that we have been advised is the best area to do an entirely new city, and it is because all the requisite elements to create a new city exist here.
Listen to this. Don't sell no land, yeah? You see, when I start me pass, don't sell no land. Because I really feel like, say, them are going to try to send in foreign aid, to say them are going to help with. Like how it landfall down at St. Elizabeth, which is the breadbasket of Jamaica, where a whole heap of food plant.
And you don't want to create a city that replicates Montego Bay and replicates Kingston. You want to create something unique. And therefore, this parish, St. Elizabeth, would be where we would be looking to develop our.
Farmers, me beg you know, any food we're not going to plant from now, save it and store it and save where the seeds them. Jamaican people, we must go.